Guess what? There's a tree house that touches the sky right in the city center. This hotel is covered with all sorts of plants, climbing up to 140 feet with a shiny red mesh that holds all the plants up. Four big gardens let in lots of fresh air and sunlight, making it feel like you're outside even when you're inside. And right at the top of the hotel, there's a special garden called the Tropical Bower, full of plants and flowers like a crown on the building's head. Oasia Hotel Downtown, located in Singapore and is designed by Woha, shows how buildings make cities nicer places to live. Don't be a stranger. Subscribe to my channel for more such architecture and travel based content.